Hey guys, if your audio waveform is missing in Premiere Pro like so, then keep watching as I'm about to show you how to fix this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is just head over to Edit in the top left hand side, come down to Preferences, and then we need to select Audio. And then down in the middle here, you just need to make sure that Generate Waveforms Automatically During Input is checked, and then we can press OK. And then head over to this kind of wrench icon in the settings down here. And we also need to make sure that Show Audio Waveform is checked like so. And as you can see, that now brings back the waveforms for me. If that doesn't work, another thing you can do is come over to Clip at the top, and then you're just going to come down and select Generate Audio Waveform. Another thing you can do is come over to Window at the top here, come up to Workspaces, and then come down to Reset to Saved Layout and select this. And that's just going to go ahead and reset all of your preferences, and sometimes that can also fix the issue. Now, if that still doesn't work, this next solution is definitely guaranteed to get things working. So what you need to do is press the Alt and the left mouse click button and just select your audio file like so, and that should bring up the audio clip. And then from here, we can just right click and select Render and Replace. And that's going to go ahead and replace your audio with this waveform like you see on the screen here. So once again, how to do that is you just press the Alt key on your keyboard and the left mouse click button, and that should bring up the audio file. And once you've got the audio file in here, we can just right click and select Render and Replace. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and that still hasn't fixed it, the very last thing we can do is head over to Edit in the top left hand side, come back to Preferences, come down to Media Cache, and what we're going to do is just remove all of our media cache files by pressing Delete up here. Select Delete Unused Media Cache Files and press OK. That should only take a couple of seconds. Then we can press OK, and you'll need to restart your Adobe Premiere Pro, and that should have now fixed any waveform issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.